Here we will demonstrate a simple scenario where we quickly set up a CI/CD project on AWS. We'll use CodeStar for this video. There are other alternatives available from Google Cloud Provider and HP. To begin, we'll click on Create New Project. From the left navbar, we can filter the templates to our choosing. For demonstration purposes, I've selected Node.js web applications using AWS Elastic Beanstalk. This is just one of the many options available. We'll choose Express as well. On this screen, we enter the basic project details and select a repository host. We'll stick with AWS for this video. On the following screen, we can review the project details, and AWS lets us know that the project will include an AWS code pipeline connected with tools for sourcing, building, testing, deploying, and monitoring. This will aid in our CI/CD process. Here we select an EC2 key pair to encrypt the EC2 being used for this project. I've already prepared one for this video to speed things up. On this page, we can find instructions for connecting various IDEs to our project and cloning the repository. Let's take a quick look at an example for Eclipse. Great. Now our project is finalizing and will be ready to go, all in under 2 minutes. Now let's take a look at our CodeStar project once it is finished setting up. We have tabs for all of our options, including IDE configuration, viewing and managing the generated code pipeline, controlling team access, and more. Let's take a look at the pipeline. We have steps for getting the source code from code commit, building the source using code build, and then deploying the code to our Elastic Beanstalk environment using CloudFormation. Finally, let's take a look at the repository that was created in code commit. This is one of the many example projects AWS provides to make starting a new project a breeze.